Welcome to Quaint Cosmos, where science meets clarity. Today's topic is as intriguing as it sounds. Queensland scientists reverse quantum time. Yes, this is the topic of discussion in today's video. No science fiction, no hype. This is real science behind an extraordinary experiment. So, what happened actually? A team of quantum physicists from the University of Queensland demonstrated an experiment which is being called here quantum time reversal and which made headlines, and some scientists are calling it a time machine, though in reality this is not a time machine. There is no concept of time machine involved in this experiment. Actually, that team of scientists didn't send anyone or anything backwards in time. So there is no concept of time machine here in this experiment. So what they actually did was recreate a previous quantum state by using a sophisticated process called quantum error correction. So this thing actually happened. That team of scientists used IBM's quantum computer to manipulate qubits. You know qubits, building blocks of quantum computers. Okay, so they actually manipulated qubits to behave as if time was running backwards. But only for a billionth of a second. You know billionth of a second, that means 10 to the power minus 9 seconds. So small. Actually, that team of scientists used the principles of quantum entanglement and quantum superposition. Okay, to temporarily reverse the direction of a quantum state's evolution. So actually this thing happened in their experiment. Question is, why is this so important? And this is important, that's why I am making this video. So you know fault-tolerant quantum machines, quantum computers, fault-tolerant quantum computers. If you have heard this term, then you have the idea. Already you have the idea. So to build fault-tolerant quantum computers, this experiment is very useful. Because someday, according to scientists, someday the quantum computers someday the quantum computers could be able to fix their own mistakes by reverting to the earlier quantum states. Okay, but there is one problem. This experiment brushes against the deep questions about the arrow of time and the second law of thermodynamics. You know, second law of thermodynamics, according to which entropy always increases. But in this experiment, which was very tiny and that was actually isolated system, and in their experiment what happened, the second law of thermodynamics didn't hold, at least momentarily. So you now know why this experiment is so useful. Because future machines, means future quantum computers, could be able to fix their own mistakes by reverting to earlier quantum states. This is why this experiment is so useful. So here process involved was what? Quantum error correction technique. That sophisticated process was used to do that thing. Okay, that thing means what? That reversal of time, quantum time, better to say quantum time, by billionth of a second, that thing happened. Okay, that is useful. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. This is the end of this video. If you found this video insightful, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.